What's up, YouTube? I'm here on NQ. Today is March 9th, and I feel like my bias today is overall bullish. As you can see right here on the 15-minute, we're just consolidating, and same thing on the 1 hour, of course. And if we zoom in on the 1 minute, recent price action has been consolidating even heavier. So hopefully this doesn't continue after New York opens. New York Open is most likely gonna manipulate down or up, and then we'll go the other way. And since we've just been consolidating on the higher time frame, we have a lot of liquidity to the downside and upsides. And I don't think we have any news candles. We had a 7:30 news, but the highs and lows of that candle already got taken out. And we have a nice wick over here. I'm not really sure if that's news. I was looking on X, but I didn't see anything around this time. So we'll just have to see if price is drawn towards it. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys when market opens. Okay, so we have New York open, market open right here at 8:30. And right before market opened, at 8:28, we swept out that possible news high, so we don't have to worry about that. But New York Open right here just swept out this high inside of this 2-minute BPR over here. It's actually a 5-minute BPR as well, so we could see a nice reaction right here to get a sell. And if we get a nice close on this 1 minute, that'll definitely be nice. But we are going to leave an 8:30 wick right up here at the high. And let's see if we get a nice close right here. This will be pretty V-shape. Okay, so I'm in right here. Oh, wow, that fail was awful. And I'm gonna set the break even right here, and this is probably gonna be break even. Okay, yeah, that was break even. That's very unfortunate. My fill on that was just terrible. But even if I got an entry right here, I'm gonna see if it would have been break even. Okay, yeah, that would have been break even right there anyways. So yeah, that is unfortunate right there, but as you can see, price is now trading back into this range right here, so we're probably gonna get choppy again. Okay, so it's looking like price wants to come back up here, but we didn't sweep all this liquidity. We came close to this low right here, but we didn't take it out. So I wouldn't feel too confident in price coming back up here until we sweep that out. And I checked the ES, we don't have any SMTs down here, so. Okay, so the 8:30 high just got taken out. Right here on the 30-second, we had a nice entry to go back up and target the 8:30 wick, but I didn't think we were going to go up like I said because we didn't sweep enough liquidity. So we're probably going to come up and start taking out the rest of this trend line liquidity. Okay, so we just got an entry on the 2-minute to go back down for a short. But with that trend line liquidity above, usually when we take out 1 point, which we took out this one, we just run the rest. So I wouldn't be too confident in a sell here, but it could very well work, especially because we didn't take out all this liquidity down here. Okay, so all this liquidity to the downside just got swept, and this 2-minute short worked out perfectly. Yeah, it was a nice risk to reward too, so. And yeah, I didn't take this because of that trendline liquidity above, and I thought the draw was higher. Even then, this 1-minute short still worked right here. The entry was a little further down from the 2-minute. But yeah, this 1 minute ended up working out too. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I'm just overthinking this. But yeah, this is probably going to be the move of the day right here. But hopefully we could get something else. Okay, so price just re-swept that low, that swept out the other low. So this is that intermediate low down here. And this was the low that swept it out, and we just re-swept that low. So yeah, price is looking a little weird right now, and we're starting to chop up. And we do have a high up here that swept out a high. Yeah, that high swept out this other high over here. So yeah, I just don't know what price is doing right now. We're just chopping up. As you can see, price is moving pretty slow, so I don't think I'm gonna be on for much longer. Okay, so price has swept this other low inside of a fair value gap down here. As you can see, we're respecting this 5-minute gap, and we just swept out that low. But price structure just looks a little bearish now since we're respecting these bearish fair value gaps up here. So, yeah, I have a feeling I'm gonna be done for the day, and I'm ending the day off negative because of that break-even trade. And yeah, definitely a lot of missed opportunities, especially this 2-minute up here. But after I seen this 2-minute, I saw this 1-minute candle right underneath it, this nice 1-minute candle, and I could have took an entry right here to hold for this liquidity that we didn't sweep at open. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you think these are good trades or not. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.